Hello again. My name is Michael Denoyer. It's the 22nd of October, 2020, and today I'll be dissecting a sheep kidney and going over the major portions of it. On the back of my card, I wrote down all the portions of the major anatomy portions of the kidney to ensure that I don't miss any of the prompts. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it, I guess. It's probably the easiest way for me to show you. So the renal cortex, the outer portion here, which is and then you have the renal medulla, which is like in this portion here, and then you have the renal pyramids, right in here, and then between the pyramids you have the renal columns, which would be right in this portion here. We have the renal sinus, which is hanging off this portion right here, and then the renal hilum, which is this whole piece here that has nerve, artery, vein, the ureter, all that stuff. You have the minor calyces, which I don't know if you can see it, but it's the minor, I believe, is the small white portions here, and then you have the major calyces, which are right in here. You'll have the renal pelvis, which is here, and then the superior portion of the ureter. This is the ureter here, so the superior portion would be right in here. Whoops, right in here, which I'm touching with the forceps. And that goes through all 10 portions of the major portions of the kidney. So hope you enjoyed, and thank you.